Practice paper, class 10, question number 4. Which is the correct sequence of parts in human alimentary canal? Now, the correct option is option D. First mouth, then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, and then large intestine. Question 5. A feature of reproduction that is common to amoeba, spirogyra, and yeast are that. Option A is the correct option. Question 6. A student obtained a sharp image of a candle flame placed at a distant end of the laboratory table on a screen using a concave mirror to determine its focal length. The teacher suggested him to focus a distant building about 1 kilometer far from the laboratory for getting more correct value of the focal length. In order to focus the distant building on the same screen, the student should slightly move the correct option is screen towards the mirror, option C. What happens when the image of the candle is focused, when candle is kept at far away corner of the lab, image of the candle is obtained at the focus. And this is a concave mirror, image is formed on the same side as the object. Now when a far away, a distant building is, image of the distant building is taken, then that image will be formed at the focus of the concave mirror, and since the focal length, correct value of focal length is obtained when image of object at infinity is taken. Since the building is far away from the mirror, the image will be formed at the focus and screen has to be shifted towards the mirror. An optical device has been given to a student and he determines its focal length by focusing the image of the sun on a screen placed 24 cm from the device on the same side as the sun. See, point to be noted, 24 cm from the device, 24 cm from the device on the same side as the sun means object and the image are on the same side. Now, image of the sun is obtained at a distance 24 cm from the device, so focal length of the device is 24 cm. Select the correct statement about the device. Image and the object are on the same side of the mirror. So, image and object are on the same side of the device. So, the device is a concave mirror of focal length 24 cm. Option C is the correct option. Electrical resistivity of a given metallic wire depends upon A. Its length, B. Its thickness, C. Its shape, D. Nature of the material. Correct option is option D. Nature of the material. Question 8. Which group of organisms are not constituents of a food chain? First one is grass, lion, rabbit, wolf. This forms a food chain. Second one is plankton, man, fish, grasshopper. Plankton aquatic plant है, fish aquatic animal है, man and grasshopper. These are terrestrial. So this is not forming a part of the food chain. Next है wolf, grass, snake, tiger. Grass है producer, wolf, snake, tiger. None of these eat grass. और wolf, snake, tiger इन तीनों में भी कोई food chain form नहीं हो रहा है. So option 3 here it does not form a food chain. Frog, snake, eagle, grass, grasshopper. This forms a food chain. Grass is the producer. Grasshopper will eat grass. Frog eats grasshopper and snake eats frog. So option 2 and 3 are wrong. So यहाँ पे जो correct answer है वो है option C. 2 and 3 do not form food chain. 2 and 3 are not the constituents of a food chain. Question 9. The percentage of solar radiation absorbed by all green plants for the process of photosynthesis is about. Answer 1%. Option A is the correct option. Question 10. Which of the following are environment friendly practices? Carrying cloth bags to put purchases in while shopping. Correct. Switching off unnecessary lights and fans. Correct. Walking to school instead of getting your mother to drop you on her scooter. Correct. So option D is the correct option, all of the above. Assertion and reason. Question 11 part 1. Assertion है most of the carbon compounds are good conductors of electricity. Wrong. Carbon compounds are not good conductors of electricity because most of the carbon compounds are covalent compounds. Reason है they do not dissociate to form ions and remain as molecules. Correct. Reason correct है. Carbon compounds are covalent compounds. They will not form ions. So assertion is wrong. Reason is correct. So इसके लिए हो जाएगा option D. Second part of question 11. In a homologous series of alcohols, the formula for the second member is C2H5OH and the third member is C3H7OH. Reason है the difference between the molecular masses of the two consecutive members of a homologous series is 144. Second member means 2 carbon. तो 2 carbon alcohol हो गया CH3CH2OH means C2H5OH. 3 carbon alcohol is the third member. उसका फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा CH3CH2CH2OH that is C3H7OH. इन दोनों में जो डिफरेंस है वो है CH2 ग्रुप का और CH2 ग्रुप का वेट होता है कार्बन का एटॉमिक वेट होता है 12, हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक वेट होता है 1. कार्बन का एटॉमिक वेट होता है 12, हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक वेट होता है 1, नंबर ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन है 2. सो CH2 ग्रुप का जो वेट हो गया वो हो जाएगा 12 प्लस 2 into 1. 2 atoms of hydrogen, each atom of hydrogen weighing 1 gram per mole. तो टोटल वेट CH2 ग्रुप का हो गया 14. तो यहाँ पे assertion करेक्ट है, रीजन रॉन्ग है बिकॉज वेट इज 14 नॉट 144. सो assertion true, reason false means option C. Correct option is option C.